Hey guys, welcome to a quick tutorial stroke walkthrough, I guess, on how to use the Nicehash Notifier app. This is going to just run through config setup, what it does, what everything in the config does, and yeah, that's basically going to be it. So this video should be linked directly from the GitHub page. If you have stumbled across it on YouTube, or I'm pretty sure I have posted it on Reddit as well. Well, I know I am posting it on Reddit. I'm trying to be conversational. Yeah, I'm cringy as fuck, I know. But, yeah, tutorial shit. So. Right, okay, so, GitHub. If you come to the GitHub page, you'll see all this fancy README stuff. This basically just shows you the format of the config, what all the little bits in the config do, and then upcoming features, my Bitcoin, Litecoin donation addresses if you really want to donate. I'm not saying you have to, no one has to, obviously, you know, you're not obliged, but it always helps. But yeah, so if you want to give it a go, you can either download it or you can clone it using a Git grabber thing, but I'm just going to download a zip. This is like the 5th attempt at recording this or something daft. So okay, so you'll download a zip and then it'll have this Nicehash Notifier master. We're just going to drag the Nicehash Notifier folder out of it. And in it, not that big, you will see a load of files. So what you want to look at first as soon as you go in is this config.json file, which has a load of fancy stuff in it. Basically this is the heart and soul of the app. With the stuff in here is basically you're telling it what to do. So I'll quickly run over what each section does and then I'll run through setting them up. So you've got miner info, which is your miner address from Nicehash, which is the wallet you're mining to. Is Nicehash wallet is whether or not you're mining to an internal or external wallet, so a Nicehash wallet or not. The goals bit is the set values that you will get notifications at. So if you got your Bitcoin goal set to 2 Bitcoin, God forbid you mined that much, and you hit that 2 Bitcoin goal, it would send you an email saying, congrats, you've hit your 2 Bitcoin goal, well done, that kind of stuff. Same with pounds, USD and euro. You can set those up as you like. The notifications bit, that's where you set up your sending and receiving email addresses. I recommend doing it through Gmail, or your sender anyway, because it's free. You can set it up through Gmail for nothing, and it's just easier because the config is there, and this is currently all the app supports. It will support more in the future, but I recommend Gmail. Your alert increments, this will be once you reach a set goal. Once you've reached it, it will alert you every time you surpass this increment. So say my goal was 100 quid, and my increment goal is 10. So once I hit 100, I get a congrats, you've hit 100, but then every 10 after that, I'll get another email saying, well, you've hit 110, you've hit 120, you've hit 130. This bit doesn't work yet, but when it does, that's what it'll do. And I might put an updated video out showing you all the new features and stuff. But just keep up to date on the GitHub and on Reddit and on my YouTube, and there will be updates and stuff. Next, you've got the enabled alerts, which lets you just choose which alerts are enabled. This incremental is enabling these, which don't work, so you might as well leave those as false. If you have any of these as false, if you reach your goal for it, it won't send you an email, simple as. And application settings, you have your update frequency, which is how often in seconds you make the API calls to refresh your balance and Bitcoin values. The minimum for this is 60, set it any lower and it'll just default to 60. Show Bitcoin rates, with this set to true, which I'm going to quickly do now, will show you a live Bitcoin price in euros, pounds and dollars at the bottom of the program, so you always know what your balances are being calculated against. Show goal progress shows how close to your goals you are, and balance change shows you how much your balance has changed since the last refresh. So we're just going to quickly run through and fill this out, and we'll get into the app working, and I'll show you all the funky stuff it can do. So you want to head to Nicehash initially and grab your Nicehash wallet ID and stick it in here. I'm currently not using a Nicehash wallet, unfortunately, so we can just set that to no. I want my Bitcoin notification to go at 0.01. I'm going to only enable Bitcoin and USD just for the sake of it. and my USD goal is going to stay at 100. You can set these to whatever you want, obviously, but I know my USD goal is above 100 just so I can demo it sending the email out. Again, we can leave this as it is because it doesn't actually do anything yet. Here, turning the things on and off, and just to show you all of these in action, I'm going to put them all to true. Now, for your email stuff, you want to set some email addresses up. I would recommend setting up two new emails, one for the sender and the recipient. I don't know if I've said this yet, but you can have a separate one on a separate email client for, say, on your phone, and you can get a separate list of push notifications so you know that it's your miner that's sending you notifications. I have already set these two accounts up on Gmail, so I have this account, which is the Nicehash Notifier demo sender and the Nicehash Notifier demo receiver. So if we get the receiver email address and we stick it in the recipient email here, and then if we go to the sender and we stick the email address into the sender, and that's literally all you need to do. You just save your config, come out of this, and then here you've got this Nicehash Notifier executable file. You run that, and this thing pops up. So you notice it's asking for the Gmail password for this email address. Just type it in, and again to confirm it, to make sure you didn't do a typo. Password set successfully, and it'll start the program. And it's grabbed from my Nicehash that my current Bitcoin balance is this. I've set my goal to 0.01. This is how far I am away from my goal. As we said, these won't update until the second refresh because my balance wasn't there previously, so there is no value to go on. My current bounce goal is lower, so I have 9.75 to get there. My USD and euros have both reached their goals, but remember I had only enabled USD notifications, so down here you can see it sent a USD notification. While this is running, I will open the receiver inbox, and you'll notice there is actually an email now from Nicehash Notifier. You open that and it shows you that you've reached your goal, which is always nice. It's quite a nice format thing, to be fair. It shows you your current balance, your balance reached. Also, when this refreshes, it gets rid of this and updates these balances here. It'll refresh now. Have I got a bug? I think I've got a bug. Right, so after that I had a slight hiccup with this, so I'm going to try this again. I think I know what went wrong though. Basically the Nicehash API, if you request too many times, it'll throw you out. And I think I made too many requests, so we'll try this again, see what happens. But no, you do get sent the notification, formatted very nicely with all your stuff in it. This link takes you straight back to GitHub, so you can have a look at config files and setup and stuff. And all I have to do for this is just wait 1 minute for it to go, and it should actually just update correctly now. All you do is another second, and it should just refresh like that. So you get your updated Bitcoin values, and you get the change in your balance, which is always fancy. So yeah, that's it for now. That's currently all it does. I'm working on making it UI based and other stuff. You can see all the current goals and features that should be coming soon on GitHub. But yeah, if you've got any ideas, questions or feature updates, let me know. Either leave a comment on the video, or I think that's probably the best way to leave a comment on the video, and I will definitely read through them. So yeah, I hope you guys have fun with the app. If you do use it, let me know. So yeah, until the next one, I guess. Ciao.